Hello, Lee from iGas Heating, doing a tool talk review for Expert Trades on the Monument O-ring soldering mat. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It's here for sort of protecting your walls. It's got a handy little O in it, that's why it's called the O-mat. Bit of a giveaway. So it can wrap around the pipe, protects your walls. I'll just show you it in action very quickly. Let me just sit up a bit. It'll stay. There we go. So you can literally put the flame straight on it and it still won't burn the wall. But what I like to do myself personally is just direct the flame away from the wall if you can. That's getting a bit high, that. Burning the edges, there we go. And we just, that's one. Go underneath. That's two. Let me just make sure that goes off.
It gets better each and every year, and the craziest thing here is the average patron that shows up.
As you can see, joint's finished. Take the mat away, no scorch marks whatsoever on the tile. Does its job. Mine's pretty old and tatty, that's about a year old, that one. So they do get a bit frayed. When they do, it actually catches fire a little bit. But as long as it's all on one side, you're not going to burn anyone's house down. But, you know, don't let it get this old. But like I say, it's about a year old and it's still doing its job. No burns on the walls.